Today, I'm going to be showing you how I make these simple yet delicious smoothie bowls. Very easy to make, simple ingredients, and it is so good. If you want to see how I make this, just keep on watching. So to make my smoothie bowls, I will be using my BlendJet 2 with my 32-ounce jar, and I will be using frozen fruit just to give it that texture that I want. I'm adding here just some fruit juice. It's about 8 ounces. You can use whatever base that you like. That's the thing that I love about making smoothies. You can make it however you like. Use whatever liquid you want. You can use water, orange juice, apple juice, almond milk, whatever you choose. But I'm going to be using 1 cup of each fruit. And for this smoothie bowl, I'm going to be making a mango and pineapple smoothie. So I'm taking 1 cup of frozen mangoes, and I'm going to take 1 cup of pineapple. Now this pineapple is one that I cut up myself and froze, so it's really good to have. I had some extra fruit that came from, of course we have a business, and we had some fruit left, so I decided to freeze it, which worked out perfect to make these smoothie bowls. So as you see now, I'm just going to pour that in there and give it a blend. So once I blend that a couple of cycles, I decided to pour just a little more liquid inside, which is okay if you need to thin it out some. It may sometimes stop, or it's a little too thick, you want to add a little more liquid. So that is what I'm doing here. Now that it has blended into the consistency that I like, I'm going to pour inside my glass bowl. Now that I have poured it into my bowl, it's time to add some toppings. And there it is, my mango pineapple smoothie bowl with some toppings. On to the second smoothie bowl. For this smoothie bowl, I will be using my BlendJet 2 again, and for my base, I will be using orange juice this time instead of fruit juice. Again, you can use whatever base liquid that you would like. I'm going to be using frozen banana and frozen strawberries to get that thick consistency that I want for my smoothie bowl. All right, now it's all blended up. It is time to see how this consistency looks with this smoothie. All right, second smoothie bowl done with bananas and some pecans on top. Yummy. And there you have it, 2 simple and quick smoothie bowl recipes. For your toppings, you can use whatever toppings you like. You do not have to use what I use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.